All right, so before we actually start developing, I would just like to give you an overview of how first Python program looks like. So consider yourself being employed in a company and your boss came up and he asks like, develop a program to calculate the annual salary of an employee. So what are the main things required to calculate an annual salary? What would you need?
Salaries.
Salary, what?
All the employees' salaries.
No, just imagine that we are calculating only one employee's salary, but what is the information we need to calculate the salary of an employee? This is what I'm asking.
Monthly wages.
Hourly wages, like what is the hourly rate of a person? Let's say $20. We can give it a name wage or hourly wage, whatever, and
The amount of hours they work.
amount of hours they work. Let's say we are talking in terms of weekly hours. Okay, so let's say it's 40. So we would define 40, and then
How much days a week they work?
sorry,
How much days a week like they work?
how much days a week, or if I were to like calculate it in terms of like annual salary in terms of weeks, so you would not be specifying hours, you would be specifying like number of weeks in terms of, you were saying something? Okay, so total number of weeks in a year is 52. So once we have gathered this information, we can calculate the salary. How? How we can calculate the salary?
We would multiply the wage by the hours and the hours.
We can just simply multiply wage, hours, and total number of weeks. Okay, and once the salary is calculated, then we can display the salary as an output. I can give an optional message for the user, a meaningful message which would appear on their screen like this: salary is whatever the value is. And then we can also overwrite the previous value. So for example, if the employee decide to reduce their working hours from 40 to 35, we can change the value. And once the value is changed of hourly number of hours, then the salary has to be recalculated again. So we will do the same thing again, and then we can display the output on the screen. So considering these three components, input, process, and output, what do you think are the input, processing, and the output components in this program? Can you help me identify line numbers? Maybe, yeah?
Input is the first 3 lines.
Input is first 3 lines. Agreed. It could be, so here we have hard-coded them, like we have fixed those inputs. We could have written it like taking an input during the runtime from a user using input function. Okay, so here is the input where we are processing. Line number 4, we are processing. We are so you see, once you collect the input, you need to process it, and then in line number 5, we are actually producing an output on the screen. So these 3 main components, and we are repeating the same thing again here. So this is also again taking an input or modifying an input and recalculating or reprocessing whatever if the input is changed, and then producing an output again. Make sense? Any question?